10 benefits of turmeric water before you sleep. Have you ever thought about turning your nighttime routine into a health-boosting ritual? Well, drinking turmeric water before bed may do wonders for your overall well-being. Turmeric, a vibrant yellow spice commonly used in Indian cooking, is not just good for adding flavor to food. It's packed with curcumin, a powerful compound that brings a host of health benefits. From soothing your digestion to enhancing your skin and even supporting your heart, turmeric water at night may help tackle it all quietly while you sleep. This easy-to-make beverage acts like a nightly tune-up for your body, making sure you wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. That's why, in today's video, we will talk about the 10 benefits of turmeric water when you drink it before bed. Stick to the end of the video, and we will tell you about a simple recipe to prepare this healthy drink at home. Now, let's get started. 1. Enhances digestive health. Drinking turmeric water before sleep may significantly aid in managing digestion. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, may stimulate the gallbladder to produce more bile. It is a digestive fluid essential for the breakdown and absorption of fats and certain nutrients in the small intestine. An increase in bile production may help in the emulsification of fats, which may otherwise be difficult to digest. This process is particularly important as it may aid in the digestion of fats consumed during the day. Also, it may prevent the discomfort associated with indigestion or bloating. Furthermore, turmeric has antimicrobial properties that may positively impact gut health by helping manage the balance of bacteria in the gut. An imbalance in these bacteria may lead to dysbiosis. This condition is linked to numerous digestive issues, including bloating, constipation, and diarrhea. By helping maintain a healthy microbial balance, curcumin may support a more efficient digestive process and promote overall gut health. Research suggests that medications containing curcumin and turmeric extract may improve IBS symptoms. Their anti-inflammatory properties may particularly help in reducing abdominal pain and improving life quality. 2. Supports immune function. Drinking turmeric water before bed may effectively enhance the body's immune function. Curcumin, found in turmeric, acts as an immunomodulator, which means it may help regulate the immune system to ensure it functions optimally. It may influence the activity and production of various immune cells, such as T cells, B cells, macrophages, and neutrophils. These cells are crucial for defending the body against pathogens. By modulating these cells, curcumin may help the body respond more effectively to infections and inflammation, enhancing overall immune responses. In addition to that, turmeric's anti-inflammatory properties may play a vital role in preventing the overactivation of the immune system. Chronic inflammation is a root cause of many diseases. By controlling it, curcumin may prevent unnecessary immune responses and preserve the integrity of immune system components. Thus, our immune system may respond more effectively to actual health threats rather than being continuously depleted by inflammatory processes. Moreover, turmeric water may boost the body's antibody responses. Antibodies are proteins produced by the immune system to fight antigens like bacteria and viruses. By enhancing the body's ability to produce these antibodies, turmeric may speed up the initial immune response to invaders. It may also help in forming a more robust memory immune response, providing better protection against future infections. 3. Detoxification. One major way turmeric water assists in detoxification is by enhancing liver function. The liver is the primary organ responsible for detoxifying chemicals and metabolizing drugs in the body. In several metal toxicity studies, researchers found that curcumin, the active ingredient of turmeric, is an effective antioxidant. In fact, curcumin treatment was also effective for reversing mercury-induced serum changes. Often, these changes are markers of liver and kidney injury, impairing your body's detoxification system. Curcumin may support liver function by increasing the production of enzymes that detoxify various substances. These enzymes break down toxins into less harmful components that are easier for the body to excrete. By boosting enzyme levels, turmeric water may help the liver more efficiently process and remove toxins accumulated throughout the day. Furthermore, the liver uses water to flush out toxins and carry nutrients to the bloodstream. Adequate hydration improves the liver's ability to function efficiently. It may enhance the liver's role in filtering toxins from the blood, metabolizing fats, and breaking down hormones and medications. Thus, drinking turmeric water may aid in detoxification. 4. Improves heart health. Did you know that curcumin was first used about 3,000 years ago? This active agent of turmeric has immense therapeutic potential in treating cardiac diseases via antioxidative, anti-apoptotic, and anti-inflammatory pathways. Curcumin, found in turmeric water, may play a critical role in reducing cholesterol levels in the blood. High cholesterol is a significant risk factor for the development of heart disease. It may lead to the buildup of plaque in the arteries, causing them to harden and narrow, a condition known as atherosclerosis. Curcumin may help reduce levels of LDL cholesterol, bad cholesterol, and increase levels of HDL cholesterol, good cholesterol. It does this by influencing the expression of genes involved in cholesterol metabolism, thereby improving the liver's ability to process and clear cholesterol from the body. You may know that chronic inflammation is a key contributor to many forms of heart disease, including atherosclerosis. By reducing inflammation, turmeric water may help prevent and reduce plaque buildup in the arteries, thus lowering the risk of heart attacks and strokes. This anti-inflammatory effect is particularly beneficial during sleep, when the body's healing and maintenance processes are more active. Apart from that, when you drink turmeric water before sleep, it may enhance endothelial function. It is the ability of the endothelium, the lining inside blood vessels, to regulate blood pressure, clotting, and various other factors in the vascular system. Poor endothelial function is a major cause of heart disease, as it may lead to improper blood vessel dilation and thus higher blood pressure and increased heart strain. This drink may improve endothelial function, which helps maintain proper blood pressure levels and overall vascular health. 5. Regulates blood sugar levels. One significant way turmeric water may assist in blood sugar management is by enhancing insulin sensitivity. Insulin is the hormone responsible for transporting sugar from the bloodstream into cells, where it's used for energy. Curcumin may improve the function of insulin in the body, helping to lower blood sugar levels by increasing the uptake of glucose into cells. This may prevent high blood sugar spikes, which are harmful and associated with diabetes and other metabolic disorders. Additionally, turmeric water may influence carbohydrate metabolism by promoting the activity of enzymes that help in glucose production and utilization. Curcumin may ensure a more balanced and efficient metabolic process. This is particularly important overnight, when the body naturally reduces its insulin secretion. Turmeric water may help maintain a steady release and use of glucose, which prevents sudden drops in blood sugar levels that may lead to health issues like nocturnal hypoglycemia. According to research, curcumin may significantly reduce fasting blood glucose and glycated hemoglobin. Hence, having a warm, soothing drink like turmeric water may offer great benefit in managing your blood sugar level. 6. Promotes skin health. The antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and collagen-boosting properties of turmeric water may work together to protect and rejuvenate the skin overnight. Antioxidants are crucial for skin health as they combat free radicals. These are unstable molecules that damage cells, including skin cells, leading to premature aging and skin deterioration. By neutralizing free radicals, curcumin in turmeric water may help protect the skin from oxidative stress that can cause wrinkles, sagging, and other signs of aging. This antioxidant protection is especially important during sleep, a time when the body undergoes natural repair processes, aiding in the restoration of healthy, youthful skin. Moreover, inflammation may cause skin redness, swelling, and irritation, often exacerbating skin issues. By reducing inflammation, turmeric water may help soothe the skin, decrease flare-ups, and improve overall skin appearance. This anti-inflammatory effect may also help in the healing of scars and reduce the likelihood of new blemishes forming. Furthermore, turmeric water may enhance collagen production. Collagen is a primary protein in the skin, essential for maintaining its structure and elasticity. As we age, collagen production naturally declines, leading to wrinkles and loose skin. Curcumin has been shown to boost collagen synthesis, which may help maintain skin firmness and elasticity. This may aid in keeping the skin youthful and resilient. Increased collagen production may reduce the visibility of fine lines and wrinkles and promote a smoother, more vibrant skin texture. In a series of studies, turmeric or curcumin treatment had a significant improvement in skin disease severity. The conditions measured in these studies included acne, alopecia, atopic dermatitis, pruritus, psoriasis, etc. 7. Improves brain function. Sleep is a critical time for the brain to repair itself and consolidate memories. Consuming turmeric water before bed may offer neuroprotective properties. Curcumin may help enhance the levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factors. It is a type of growth protein in the brain that plays a crucial role in the survival and growth of neurons. It may facilitate the process of neurogenesis, which is the creation of new neurons in the brain. High levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factors are associated with improved brain function, including better memory and learning capabilities. Moreover, increased brain-derived neurotrophic factor levels may help delay or potentially reverse age-related and disease-related brain degeneration, such as in cases of Alzheimer's disease and depression. Apart from that, curcumin in turmeric water may possess antioxidant properties that further protect the brain. Oxidative stress is a condition where there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, leading to cell and tissue damage. This stress is particularly damaging to the brain, where it may accelerate the aging process and exacerbate neurodegenerative diseases. Curcumin may help neutralize harmful free radicals, thereby reducing oxidative stress and its associated impacts on the brain. In 4 trials, 139 participants took curcumin supplementation, ranging from 200 to 1820 milligrams daily over 8 to 12 weeks. The studies found a significant increase in brain-derived neurotrophic factor levels in serum. It suggests curcumin's potential to treat neurological disorders associated with low-growth protein. 8. Aids in weight loss. Drinking turmeric water before sleep may play a supportive role in weight management, primarily due to the effects of curcumin. Curcumin positively affects the body's metabolism. It has been shown to enhance the metabolic rate, which is how quickly the body burns calories. An increased metabolic rate means the body uses more energy for its processes, which may lead to a greater expenditure of calories, even while at rest or asleep. This is particularly beneficial during the night, when metabolic rates tend to slow down. By stimulating metabolic activity, turmeric water may help prevent the accumulation of fat that often results from a slower nighttime metabolism. Along with that, curcumin has the ability to modulate the levels and activity of adipokines. These are proteins secreted by fat cells that influence fat metabolism and inflammation. Some adipokines may contribute to fat gain and poor metabolic health, while others help reduce fat storage and improve insulin sensitivity. Curcumin may help increase the levels of beneficial adipokines and decrease the levels of harmful ones, promoting a healthier fat metabolism and aiding in the reduction of body fat. In a study involving about 1,600 participants, researchers found that curcumin intake among patients with metabolic syndrome and related disorders significantly reduced BMI, weight. 9. Relieves pain. One key way drinking turmeric water before bed may help manage pain is through its potent anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is a common underlying cause of pain, particularly in conditions like arthritis, muscle strains, and other inflammatory diseases. Curcumin may inhibit the activity of molecules and enzymes like COX-2 and lipoxygenase, which are involved in the inflammatory process. By reducing inflammation at the molecular level, curcumin may decrease the swelling and pain associated with these conditions. This action is particularly beneficial during sleep, when the body's natural healing processes are more active. It may allow for a more effective reduction in inflammation and associated pain. Additionally, curcumin may influence the body's pain receptors and neurotransmitters that signal pain. It modulates the release of certain neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which may help reduce the perception of pain. By altering how the body processes pain signals, curcumin can provide relief from chronic pain, enhancing comfort and sleep quality. Another important aspect of curcumin's pain-relieving properties is its antioxidant effect. Oxidative stress may exacerbate inflammation and contribute to the discomfort associated with it. Curcumin's ability to neutralize free radicals helps mitigate this oxidative stress, further aiding in the reduction of pain. This antioxidant action of turmeric water may support the body's natural nighttime repair mechanisms, helping to alleviate pain and promote recovery from daily physical stresses. According to a study, people with osteoarthritis experienced significant relief in pain after taking curcumin supplements. 10. Improves sleep quality. Drinking turmeric water before bedtime benefits sleep. Dehydration is a common cause of muscle cramps, which may be particularly disruptive during the night. Having a cup of turmeric water may keep you hydrated. It may further minimize the likelihood of these cramps, which may otherwise wake you from sleep. This is especially important for individuals who are prone to leg cramps or who engage in evening physical activities. Additionally, curcumin may help lower anxiety and stress levels, which are common culprits behind sleep disturbances. It may influence the production and function of neurotransmitters associated with mood, including serotonin and dopamine. By stabilizing mood and promoting relaxation, turmeric water may create a more conducive state for sleep. Moreover, turmeric has been found to increase the production of serotonin, a precursor to melatonin, the hormone that regulates sleep-wake cycles. By increasing serotonin levels in the evening, curcumin may help enhance the natural increase in melatonin at night, aligning the body's internal clock and making it easier to fall asleep at the right time. According to an animal study, turmeric extract has a sleep-promoting effect, owing to a reduction in sleep latency, making it beneficial in treating insomnia. Here is a simple recipe to prepare turmeric water at home. Now that you know how beneficial turmeric water may become, let's learn how to prepare 1 cup of this potent drink. Making turmeric water is simple and can be a soothing addition to your nighttime routine. Here's an easy recipe to prepare it. Ingredients that you may need: 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 cup, about 240 milliliters of warm water, honey, optional for taste, a squeeze of lemon juice, optional, for added flavor and vitamin C. Now, follow these instructions. 1. Heat the water. Start by heating the water until it is just warm but not boiling. Warm water helps to dissolve the turmeric better and makes the drink more comforting to consume. 2. Add turmeric. Add the teaspoon of turmeric powder to a cup. 3. Mix. Pour the warm water over the turmeric powder in the cup. Stir well to fully dissolve the turmeric. Make sure there are no clumps to ensure a smooth drink. 4. Add flavors. If you like, add a bit of honey to sweeten the mixture naturally. Honey may also soothe the throat and add its own antioxidants. If you prefer a bit of tang, squeeze some fresh lemon juice into your turmeric water. Lemon not only enhances the flavor but also contributes vitamin C, which supports immune function. 5. Stir and enjoy. Stir all the ingredients together well. Your turmeric water is ready to drink. Enjoy it warm before going to bed. Integrating turmeric water into your evening routine is a simple way to tap into the spice's powerful healing properties. Each benefit may work synergistically to improve your health while you sleep. As always, consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new dietary supplement, especially if you have existing health conditions or are taking other medications. Today we learned about all the health benefits of turmeric water. But did you know that there are many other foods in your pantry that may be just as helpful? Want to find out more? Watch 13 superfoods to boost your brain power. Or watch 9 superfoods to naturally boost your immune system, never get sick. You may watch either or both of them. Will you drink turmeric water from now on? Let us know in the comments section below.